Okay, let's let's talk about file writing and file reading. So, in our Java program, we have a lot of situation where we need to write the file and where we need to read the file. So, reading the file can happen from your file system, any location in the network or any location. Only thing you have to know the path of that, and if it is network, that network should be accessible to you. And same time, it can happen on same thing. You can do the writing also. Okay, so file reading and writing, um, the main files what is generally used, that is file input stream. File input stream is to read the file, and file output stream to write the file. So that file input stream and file output stream, that read and write in form of character. Okay, so second one is file writer. So before that, file input and output stream, that read and write byte. So that is used when you are trying to do the byte streaming. Byte stream, read and write. So apart from byte stream, there is character stream, and then you can have standard stream. So file reader and writer, they do the character read and write, but in the character stream. It means that it will write 2 byte at a time. Okay. Uh, Third one, buffer reader and buffer writer, that is used to write and read and write text from the file and in the file. Okay, so it can read text from the file and can write the text into the file. So the source of text can be your system stream. So you can use your system.in to get the text from your console and then write it. Or you can have some static string that you can write into a file. Or you can read a file, the content, and write into another file. So all those things you can do using buffer reader and writer and file reader and writer. System input stream. System input stream is, that's what it says, that system.in. You can read the data, you can read the text character from your console. Okay, as you type on your console, when your program is running, it will read it, and then you can write that information or data into some file. Okay, so let's see in the Eclipse how it works.